Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a true powerhouse in the performance SUV world, the new 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for outrageous power and muscle car attitude, the Durango Hellcat has redefined what a three-row SUV can be. For 2026, Dodge takes this beast even further, blending family practicality with supercar-level performance. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this Hellcat is more extreme than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat arrives with an aggressive design that perfectly matches its wild performance. The front fascia looks meaner with a revised grille, larger air intakes, and updated LED lighting that gives it a menacing road presence. Sculpted body lines, wide fenders, and bold SRT badging reinforce its muscle roots, while new wheel designs and fresh color options allow buyers to stand out even more. Despite its size, the Durango Hellcat looks every bit as fast as it feels. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat continues to unleash a supercharged 6.4-liter HEMI V8, delivering jaw-dropping horsepower and brutal acceleration. Power is sent through a reinforced automatic transmission and performance-tuned all-wheel drive system for maximum traction. Dodge has refined the suspension and steering for sharper handling, making this SUV surprisingly capable on twisty roads while still dominating straight-line sprints. Safety and technology. Dodge pairs all that power with modern safety and technology. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat features advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. Inside, a large touchscreen with the latest Uconnect system offers wireless smartphone connectivity, performance pages, and premium audio, creating a cabin that feels both high-tech and performance-focused. Conclusion. The new 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat remains one of the most insane SUVs ever built, combining supercar performance with everyday usability. If you want space, sound, and speed in one unstoppable package, this Hellcat delivers it all. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more high-performance reviews and automotive first looks.